Hello, friends. Well, our guitar is already waiting and eager to play. And I think very soon we will hear what we ended up with. And now we will install the sensors and install the wiring into this guitar. My hands are itching. Let's go. We have to fit all the wiring into this F. I have already done the soldering part. It's also a 1950s wiring. I use the jack, switchcraft, potentiometers Y-pots, and Soviet military capacitors K42U2 and K40U9. I will need a few of these cotton threads. With their help, I will stretch our potentiometers inward. I have already removed the wires from the sensors. They are marked. This is a bridge pickup, it's a neck, and the ground wire is brought out from the bridge. To stretch these strings, I'll make this hook out of wire. I also need a heat shrink tube, thermocambric, which will help us fix our ropes on the potentiometers. 4 small sections. I put it on the potentiometer rods. I crimp with a gas soldering iron. Thermocambric perfectly fits the potentiometer rods and does not allow our rope to fall off at the most crucial moment. I will make small holes to stretch the thread there. The holes should not be very large, so that the thermocambric does not break. I will solder the ground. Now our wiring is fully functional. It remains to fit it inside the guitar. We also need to solder the wires from the sensors. The ground shield should be soldered very quickly, so as not to overheat the potentiometer covers, otherwise the potentiometer may fail, so the soldering iron must be powerful now. We will fix the wires with paper tape. Now our wiring is fully functional, it remains to place it inside the guitar. When we have all the strings stretched, it remains to very carefully place all the wiring inside the guitar. First one half, and then the other. Probably, due to the complexity of this operation, the ES-335 still produces a custom shop division. We string washers and nuts on the threads and fix them on the potentiometer. Some potentiometer rods fit tightly enough in their holes, so the thermic hammer can be removed and carefully screwed on the nut. The final touch is the installation of a switch. In this place it is convenient to reach by hand. It is remains to tighten the nuts, fix tightly, and put on the potentiometer knobs. I really like the potentiometer knobs like these. They look very good. They're Fender-like potentiometers, and they have a historical fit. They were installed on the first versions of ES-335. Now we need to test everything. Everything works as it should. I will install a replica of a vintage bridge and a replica of a tailpiece made by me. I still have a pickguard from the first project. It is already 10 years old and it perfectly suited this guitar. The strings I will use as standard, Ernie Ball, and 40s. By clamping each string at the 12th fret, I will pre-tune the scale. Well, friends, I think that in the next video you will hear how it sounds. I've already played it, so I know, and this is just a bomb. Therefore, stay with me, subscribe to the channel, click your likes and ring your bells and leave your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think how this guitar will sound? And I say goodbye to you, but for a while.
Rock and roll for all.